Hi students, this is Manik sir. Today I will explain in details the letter of writing formal letter. So dear children, we shall be looking in very details at the format of writing formal letters. What are formal letter? Formal letter is a way to communicate a perceptions of a serious issue. This is mostly addressed and written to the editor, the mayor, the police, and important officer. The formal letter will have the sender address at the top, and basically it is on the left hand side, which is followed by the date by having the receiver address. So dear children, always keep it in mind, the sender is the one who is sending the letter and receiver will be the one who is being addressed. It will begin with the salutations at the left hand side, and it will begin with sir and madam. So dear children, if you are not sure about the gender, then just write sir. After putting some more line, write the subjects with 5 to 6 words and highlight the main issues which is faced by the people. After that, the body of letter will be focused. The body of letter has to be made and written within 3 to 4 paragraphs by having a beautiful introductions. So dear children, let us see very briefly about the body of letter. The body of letter is having 3 parts here. First, the introductions part, and in introduction part you have to introduce yourselves very briefly and also has to write the problems very shortly. Then come to the main content. In main content we have to write down the cause as well as the effects of the problems. Then come to the conclusion part. While writing down the conclusion part, dear children, first we have to write down some more suggestions and feedback, as well as we have to write down some more lines regarding the solving of the problems. Then after that we have to conclude the letter by writing down thanking you, yours sincerely, yours faithfully, truly. Then we have to give our signatures and designations. So dear children, we will look into one solved examples of writing the formal letter. Anand witnessed an accident near the school gate where a child fell down and was hurt very badly. Many people are standing around but did not know what to do. Finally, the child was carried to the hospital by a taxi driver. Anand felt the necessity to enable the students to render the first aid to the victim. He decided to write a letter to the editor of a local daily about the importance of knowing first aid. Write the letter on his behalf using your own ideas and the ideas from the unit health and medicines. So dear children, already I have explained you that how we have to write down the format of writing formal letter. So first of all, we have to begin with the letter with the sender address, date, as well as the receiver address. While coming to the subject part, in subject part we have to write down within one line. Then come to the body part, and in the body part we have to write down like this. Through the columns of your esteemed daily, I shall like to draw the attentions of the concerned authorities and the people to the importance of knowing about the first aid. Today a child met an accident near the school gate. Many people were standing around but did not know what to do. Finally, the child was carried to the hospital by a taxi driver. The students should made aware of primary steps of first aid in schools. In the school's curriculum, it should be included. Even competitions should be held to encourage them to get equipped with the knowledge of first aid. At the same time, they should have their own mini first aid box at their home. The parents should encourage their children for this purpose. They should know what to do in such situations before the victim is carried to the hospital. At times, the first aid can be life-saving. The government and the concerned educational authorities should initiate a step towards this. And in the conclusion part, we have to write, yours sincerely, Anand. So dear children, I'll be sending you some format and some questions as assignments so that you will solve it and you should send it to me. Thanking you.